I got my high-speed fan. Put that in. Zip-tied wires. Stuck that to the side. I grounded it down here. Wires look nice and tucked. So let's see if it works. Got a little valve to turn it on. And it works. Off. Gotta like it when a plan comes together. This one's done. Let's check the radiator out here. As you can see, there's a little bit of stuff in there, but nothing that would keep it from getting cool or staying cooler. Can't see up in there, but I don't see anything in there. I think we'll probably be all right on that one. The fan's not kicking on for some reason. Let's see if we can get this fan to come on. Seems to be working. So I don't know what the deal is, but I'm gonna have to take it off and see what happens, because that's the only thing I've done different. So we'll see. Alright, so I got that thing removed. Well, I've been driving this thing for roughly 10 minutes, and I think I fixed the problem. As you can see, my temperature never got above 194. And yesterday it was right at 235. So I think I'm going to leave that thing off and just leave the car the way it is. It was a good idea, but this car doesn't like it. And it's 196 now, but that's okay too. I think we're good. Back in the garage. As you can hear, both fans are running. So I'm pretty sure that was my problem. Dang it. Oh well, it was a good idea. This car didn't like it, obviously. So I will send it back to see if they can find an issue with it, or I'm not going to put it back on my car though.